my viewers. Excuse you, garbage truck. You need to say you're sorry. So, I am Chocolate Lab 2. I like role-playing. I also like playing Jailbreak and Shark Bite with my friends, Forest Kitty. She is very, very, very nice, and yeah, I mean, that many berries. So, what I'm going to do today is probably, I don't know, walk around and talk about myself and question myths. I am very questioned about this. There's a rant. I think this person needs help. Oh. Okay, guys. So while we're taking my house tour, I will be also talking about myself. Yes, the one and only Chocolate Lab 2. Oh, I am hollow inside. Sounds right. Okay, so if you walk in my house, you have a very small Y. Okay, guys, wait a second. You have a very small living room, and it's very small, but you can just turn on the TV and rock on your rocking chair. So, as you can see, I'm very good at speaking. Not really, but I do my best. Now, if you come into room, this is a guest bedroom / is a poster that says it always seems impossible until it's done. So that is just great. And then we have a dresser, very nice dresser right there. Let's turn on the. Oh my goodness. This is the kitchen with this really nice table. This is another kid's guest room. Wait a second. So let's do the outside. If you walk up, see my room, which has a lovely gray bed. It's very nice and comfy. And then it has my bathroom that is over top of nothing, and it's very risky. Because, you might be using the bathroom and this might just fall down. And you can just use the public bathroom, I guess, in my house. But I never never have people use my bathroom. Okay, so this is called the deluxe bedroom. It has a bathroom, a very comfy bed. It's like the same as mine, and it has a very good picture. So, what we have forgotten in this room was the bathroom. Okay, nice. It's always white. That says dream. And the light switch, of course. Wait, see it? It's very nice. And then the shower, and then the toilet. Okay, if you got here. This is my backyard. It has a picnic table where I like to eat some lunch outside. It has some chairs, sit outside and get a tan if you want. And then there's some room that I don't really like. It's not really a roomy room. excuse it, it's very dark in here. It's my car, my pink car. Awesome. And my scooter. So that's it for my house. But just leave suggestions down below what you want me to do, because I could probably do anything really, but I would try every game with my friends or something. If I already said that, I'm really sorry, but that's really it, and I like see you guys. I might give the first person I have my fans, it's a shout out, which are very rare, like super rare. So you guys, and maybe you can subscribe. I would really like that, and like, comment, and subscribe. See ya!